good manners at the yoga or mystery guest table. Somebody that likes to work hard. Somebody that loves themselves. Someone that loves their body. Somebody that loves their brain.
Body, brain, all sounds starts with a B.
Let's see who she's gonna pick. Let's see. But the blocks are still out, so you can't pick anyone, sorry. The blocks have to be put away.
Blocks have to do with a B too.
We'll wait, because we're patient, and we know that being patient makes our brain grow.
A patient means on time.
Tricky prompt means on time. Yes.
On time means on time and on time.
Try not to talk until you finish up, and then I'll talk to you. Okay?
Kind of baby.
See? You know what's happening here?